time synchronization. Why and how? During the Quantower terminal launch, you may notice a message box with the following text. Your clock is n seconds behind. Please synchronize your time so the application could work properly. In this case, you'd better watch the following video to the end. The reason for this message is OAuth 2 technology. To avoid complex descriptions, we could say that this technology uses clients and server timestamps to prove the validity and security of the authorization process. Quantower uses OAuth 2 for the account sign-in process, so it is very important to have the correct time on your PC. Once the Quantower terminal detects time desynchronization on your computer, it will notify you about that. In case you wouldn't correct your time, you won't be able to sign into your Quantower account. So, what should you do next? The answer is simple. Let's check your time. The simplest way is to open time.is website that shows whether your PC time should be changed and how much. Next, you should open your time parameters in Windows settings and correct your time according to time.is recommendation. When you complete all of these steps, we recommend you restart the Quantower terminal to check whether the time desynchronization issue has gone. If you don't see Quantower's notice during the launch, take our congratulations. Now your PC time is correct and Quantower will work properly. Thanks for watching our tutorials. Please ask your questions in comments and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future videos from our team.